This free step-by-step video comes to you directly from Haynes. You can complete more than 200 jobs on this vehicle when you purchase the complete Haynes online manual at haynes.com.
For the replacement of the body-mounted rear light bulbs, prise off the access flap for the left side. Or for the right side, rotate the catch and remove the right-hand side luggage compartment side trim above the battery. Release the retaining clips and pull the bulb holder from the rear of the light unit. Press in and twist the relevant bulb and remove it from the holder. Install the new bulb, pressing in and turning to secure it. Push the bulb holder securely into the rear of the light unit. Refit the access flap covering the left side bulb holder. Or for the right-hand side, refit the luggage compartment side trim. Rotate the catch to secure it in place. For the replacement of the boot lid mounted rear light bulbs, prise out the plastic fasteners along the edge of the boot lid trim panel behind the light cluster. Undo any other necessary fasteners and remove the trim panel. Release the retaining clip and remove the bulb holder from the boot lid. Renew the relevant bulb. Push the bulb holder securely into the mounting on the boot lid. Refit the trim panel and fasteners securing it to the boot lid.